Dunlop Super Bright Nickels, 45 to 125. How do I feel about them? Man, I like these strings a lot. I'll be real. I really like these strings. They pair especially well with my Kingston Super 5, which is kind of a mid-rangey, bright, aggressive instrument, and that's what I wanted. And they sound great. They sound great. if I roll off the highs and the mids, and solo the neck pickup, they sound really warm and like vintagey. And if you want it to sound even more so, you can just shove a bit of foam under the bridge. These strings are great, and they're fairly affordable. They're $25, something like that. I have a link down below if you want to get some. It is an affiliate link, so I would get some kickback from it, but it's not a bunch of money, and you don't spend any extra. So if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate that a lot. Having said that, I'm going to try some other strings, I believe. These are great. There's 2 more sets of strings that I really want to try. SIT Foundations, because I've heard only great things about those. And then Arcoco makes nickel strings that are supposed to be like this, where they're supple. Like, that's what I want. I want lower tension, but not in the sense that they're like floppy strings. You don't want that when you're going to play and it's like you're playing in quicksand or something and it eats all your momentum. You want tension kind of this way, like on the string, and then it to be bendy, or supple, I guess would be the word. So SIT Foundations are next on the list, and then Arcoco. And then if I don't like either of those, or they're not as good as these, I will come back to these. They're really good. Full disclosure, I put these on February 1st. I just went and looked. So they have been on, we're in June now. They've been on for 4 months, and I haven't thought about changing them. I play, on average, 3 hours a day, every day. Now, I'm not gigging under lights, so I'm not sweating profusely and doing like festival gigs and stuff like that. But still, that should speak something to the longevity of them. So having said that, I love you all. Be a light in the world. Be the change you want to see. Be a blessing to your community. Do the right thing. Be a good person. None of that stuff's that hard. Love you guys. Oh, and I give lessons online if anyone's looking. That is linked in my Patreon below. $100 a month. Oh, and whoa, almost forgot. And I now have a beginning bass tutorial that is $4 that you can sign up for. Who loves you more than I do? Let's be real. Love you guys. Peace.